So far you have seen how to create new repository in Azure DevOps, and also you have seen how to push the source code into the Azure DevOps. In this video, we will create a YAML file. By using this YAML file, we can create the Azure DevOps pipeline. So here I will go to the Playwright TypeScript Tutorial full course repository, and here you will find the YAML file. I have already added into the repository. So we have to add this particular YAML file and push the code into the Azure DevOps repository. So this is currently present in the our GitHub repository, right? So in the previous tutorial, we have created a project and we have added the source code in the project, and we have pushed the source code into the Azure DevOps. Now we will add this particular YAML file in the Azure DevOps repository. So let me explain you what exactly we are doing in this YAML file. So firstly here, so we are specifying the trigger. Under that, we are specifying the branch name. So whenever there is a change, right, automatically build will be triggered for the execution. Then here we are mentioning the poll name. So in our case, we are specifying the Ubuntu. You can even specify the Windows here. And next here we are installing the Node.js. Then we are checking the npm is present or not. And then we are installing the Playwright browsers. And finally here we are running the Playwright tests. So firstly we will run the Playwright tests from the Azure DevOps pipeline. Then later we will include the like how to publish the test results into the Azure DevOps pipeline, and also we will see how to attach the Playwright report into the Azure DevOps pipeline. So let's copy this content and we'll quickly create a YAML file in the cloned Azure DevOps repository. So this particular repository we have cloned it and we have added the source code and also we have pushed it into the Azure DevOps. Now we will create a quickly one YAML file here. So here I will give the YAML file name as Azure hyphen DevOps hyphen pipeline dot YAML. So I will paste the content whatever I have copied it from the GitHub repository. So that's it guys. Now we have created a simple one YAML file and we have specified the all the steps. Now let's go to the source control and simply I will add the changed file into the staging area and simply I will commit and push it. So let's add the commit message. So here I will say Playwright with Azure DevOps pipeline. Then here I will click on this arrow, down arrow, and I will select the option as commit and push. So it will take few seconds. It's done. So let's go to the Azure DevOps now. And this is the repository what we have created. So let's refresh and see whether we are having the YAML file or not. So by using this YAML file, we can create the Azure DevOps pipeline. So if you see here guys, so we are able to add the YAML file now.